how to create a free business website. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own business website looking just like this. So let's get right into it. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, come and then type in Jimdo. Okay, this is the spelling, and hit enter. When it comes, come and select the official site of Jimdo, and it's going to bring it right here. Simply come here to where it says start now, it's free. Yes, it's free, and then come and click on it. So over here you have to come and then create an account with them. Okay, so to create an account, all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the sign up. You can sign up with your Google account, Facebook, your Apple, or you can come and click on sign up with email address, and then you can come here and then put in manually your email address right here. You create a strong password, but the password has to meet all these check marks. Okay, and when you have created a strong password, what you have to do now is to come and then check the box to receive marketing tips from them, and then also come and then check the box to agree to their terms and conditions. Okay, and come and click on create account. So after creating your account, they are going to send you a verification mail. Okay, so you have to go into your inbox. So when you go and then the mail didn't come, simply come and then click on recent email. Okay, so when you click on it over here, we can simply go into our email. Okay, and then you are going to see that we have the mail from them. So this is it. Okay, so let's come and then click on it, and then let's confirm it. So as you can see, we have to come and then click on confirm now to confirm our email. So we have confirmed it. Now we have two ways. Okay, we have the one that you don't have to code when you are creating a business website, and then we have the one that you can code. Okay, so I'm simply going to choose the one that we don't have to code. So we come here without coding, and then come and click on start now. So over here they are going to ask you, who are you creating the website for? So come and then choose the first one, a single individual, that is for yourself or another person. Okay, so after selecting it, as you can see, this is the check mark showing that I've selected it. Then simply come here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing is that they are going to ask you your website is for. Okay, so over here, that is the purpose of the website. Okay, so as it's for personal project or it's for what. And then when you come down here, you are going to see that you have this scroll button. Okay, so when you scroll it forward, it is going to change that is what the website is for. Okay, so keep scrolling it until you reach the business part. Okay, so as you can see, this is the business part. So I'm simply going to zoom it for you to see. So as you can see, for established business, since we are creating the website for business, make sure that you come and then select that one. Okay, for established business. And then after that, simply come and then come and click on the continue. So when you click on it, the next thing is that you have to come and then put in the name of your business. Okay, so simply come here to where we have this, simply come and then put in the name of the business. So I'm going to call it Plugin Tools as the name of my business, and after that simply come here and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, so after clicking on it, the next thing is that they are going to ask you the category. What are you really going to do with this business website? So mine is web designer, so I'm going to select website designer. So do the same for you, and then come and then click on the continue. Okay, and then the next thing is that they are going to ask you the goals of your website. You have to select at least three of them. Okay, so I'm simply going to go through, so you can come and then select this one. Let's say to promote a physical business, simply go through and then select three of them. So I'm going to select three of them so that we continue. Okay, so after selecting it, simply come and then click on the continue. So the next thing is that they are going to ask you, what are you going to buy? Okay, like what are you going to like? Either you are going to make the product yourself, just like this one. Okay, so if you are going to make the product yourself, you can come and then select this one. Or if somebody is going to make the product and then you are going to sell it, you can come and then select this one. Okay, but I'm simply going to select I don't have any products yet by clicking on it. Okay, so you can do the exact same thing, and then they are going to ask you how you're going to deliver it. Okay, so if you are going to deliver it by, let's say, the local customers, you can come and then select this one. Okay, and then simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, and then they are going to ask you again, that is the delivery product. So I'm simply going to say I don't know yet. Okay, and that is it. And then over here they are going to ask you if you have any photos from Facebook that you want to upload You can simply come here and then come and click on collect from Facebook page. So I'm simply going to skip this one by coming to click on skip this step. Okay, and then they are going to ask you about the website. So as I said, simply come and then search the same thing, that is the web designer. So choose the exact same thing for your website, and then you can look through, okay, to see that if you have yours here, and then select it. If yours is not here, simply come and then check this one. So no matches, stick with web designer, okay, and then check that box. Then simply come and then click on the continue. Okay, so from here you have to come and then select the style, okay, on the website. So I'm simply going to go with this one, the natural. Okay, I like that one. And then simply come here and then come and click on the continue. The next thing is that you have to come and then select the color. Okay, that is the color palette. I'm simply going to pick this one, the first one, and then simply come down here to where we have the continue and come and click on the continue. Okay, so you have to come and then pick your website format. So they will show you just two of it. Okay, that is the first one and then the second one. So the one that you prefer, you can select it. So I'm simply going to pick the first one, and this check mark shows that I have selected it, and simply come here to where we have the continue and come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing is that they are going to offer you premium domains. Okay, so all the premium plans comes with a free domain, but mine the .com is taken. You can go through and then select any of them. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to get it for free. Okay, so simply come here and then come and click on get it now. Okay, and over here, come and select website. Don't select the online store, select website by clicking on the website, because when you select the website, you are going to get a free option to get a free domain. Okay, so that is it. You are going to go with the free option. And over here, come and then select that one. Okay, so it says continue without a custom domain. They are going to give you a free domain, but not a custom one. Okay, and when you select it over here, they are going to ask you to add your first product. I'm simply going to say not now by coming here to where it says maybe later, and then you click on it. So we have successfully created our website. We are within the editor mode. Okay, so this is our website, and then this is our free domain name. Okay, this is the free domain name that you can host your website with, and it is live. You can share it with your customers, and everybody can go there, and it is your business website. Okay, so you can change anything. You can change the name of the website, the logo, everything that you want to change. You can change anything on the website. And then you have your design. If you don't like it, you have your pages. Anything that you don't want, you can change it. Okay, and after that, come and then click on the publish to publish your website. Okay, so as you can see, the website is published on this free domain. So you can simply come here to where we have the copy link, and then come and copy it and then share it with your customers, or you can simply come in and click on open in the web tab to look at how your website has been designed. And that is it. You have successfully created your free business website for totally free. Like the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.